Alright guys, we're back here at the Suncoast Boat Show taking place in Sarasota in Florida 2023, and here we're looking at the South Florida customizations. Here they have the Bronco, on the other side they have the Apocalypse 6x6 Jeep Gladiator based vehicle, and they also have a Jeep Wrangler. So on this side they have a Ford Bronco, the new Bronco that they've customized. Let's get to the wide angle. It might look a bit weird, but the car itself, the vehicle itself in person looks awesome. Here you have two rigid LED lights, both sides. I wonder what this is. Maybe some kind of sensor, I'm not sure. But they do have it where you would normally have the parking sensors. The vehicle seems to have been lifted. You've got bigger tires, and these are 37 inch by 20 inch, 37 by 20s. They look impressive on fuel wheels. They have a custom Kevlar process that they apply to the body, so you just use low pressure water to wash up the body. Low maintenance. You can see the interior here. The seats are all custom. And I should say, even though they've done all this work, the vehicle still smells brand new. Looks amazing. Yeah, when I use the wide angle, it twists everything out of proportion, making it look weird. But yeah, here is what the vehicle looks like. I don't have a price on this one. If somebody knows, please drop a comment below.
Yeah.
Here we have the Gladiator. Rock sliders. Falcon shocks. Let's take a look inside. Take a look inside.
Darling, I have. You got a tender.
Totally did.
No. So recycling still happens. They do work all clean, so all clean is not going to collect it. We have arranged to pick up on Monday to pick up all the recyclables and deliver it to the material recovery facility. And then we'll track that data and then provide it. And
You guys remember that picture
building
from World War II?
way higher volume.
I'll let the prices speak for themselves.
Good news. I mean, she's able to. They're out of Alabama. She's able to.
We don't give a shit.
But you just don't want it to be hundreds.
Exactly. If it's thousands of people, right.
Nice little one here. These are from Apex. I believe these are all tenders that we use. 10% off. Voting season is coming. Have a nice little console there. We have aluminum buttons though.
It'll be, so you have to look at the specs for the brand and make of your boat. It'll have to be something that's what needed. Is it an aftermarket or is it the standard? Problem.
Nice jet ski.
Now you will be limited on what skis you can use because of weight. It's either be the Sea-Doo Switch, Sea-Doo Spark, or Yamaha EX-on.
And this holds 2 or 3?
2. Yeah. So they'll all have a boat board. The max number of people in there.
It's pretty shallow.
The captain builder had a lazy Susan.
95,000, and you can get it for 83,000 during the show. It's got an aluminum trailer. $48,000 for this one.
So I know how to tie a cleat. What's your product do?
So this one right here is actually you tie tight, no more slack lines. You're limiting your slack lines, and what it allows you to do is go up and down in your title change. And it's a hurricane product where if you have a hurricane surging or anything like that, heavy traffic areas, it works great on days like this, but we're actually hurricane proven, have 0 losses in over 20 years.
So is it just free sliding or is there resistance?
Nope, free sliding. Yeah, it's pretty much just allows your boat to travel up and down how it's meant to do, but it eliminates your side-to-side motion.
Okay.
So you can just allow, and without slacking your lines, you're not going to have the side-to-side where it's snapping or pulling at your piles, damaging it overall. And
So ultimately it reduces the stress on the dock and the piles.
instead of
This seems to be a floating dock where you can actually pull up with your jet ski or whatever you have. This is great to install. Let's say you have a pond. Oh, that's a good example over there. That's great.
How you doing, sir?
Good. So what do we have here? Is it the floating dock?
Floating docks, yes, sir.
Cool.
Yep.
So where are you
anything.
guys based out of? Where can
We're in Tampa. They're in Fort Myers.
Fort Myers.
So it just depends on where you're at.
Okay.
Who can help you, but yeah, they're floating docks. These are for boats. That's for jet skis. That's for kayaks. then we had this walking platform. So yeah, that can actually go onto stationary dock, even if you don't have a easy dock.
Yes.
That can mount on your seawall, it can mount on the wooden dock, and it just cranks up so
Yeah.
the water doesn't fill in. It's pretty cool. It's a new design that came out.
Nice.
Yeah.
All right, thanks for showing me.
No problem. Have a good one.
Yes, sir. Easy dock. And there's some music in the back. Some pontoons here. And I think at this point I will just do a cut and then we continue because there's music in the background. So